I'll show you a super quick guide on how to install FiveM on PC. First, keep in mind that FiveM does not currently support the GTA 5 enhanced version, so you need to install the GTA 5 Legacy Edition. Once that's done, go to fivem.net, click on the Download Client button, accept the terms of service, and the download will begin. After it finishes, open the installer and it will automatically start updating FiveM. If it can't detect your GTA 5 installation, it will ask you to locate the game folder manually. Here's how to find it depending on your platform. On Rockstar Games Launcher, open Settings, go to GTA 5 Legacy, and select View Installation Folder to find your game directory. On Epic Games, go to your library, find GTA 5, click the three dots, select Manage, and then click the folder icon to open the install location. On Steam, right-click GTA 5 Legacy in your library, go to Manage, then click Browse Local Files to open the game folder. After that, copy the folder path and paste it into the FiveM prompt. The client will verify your game files. If an update prompt appears, click Yes and let it complete the installation. Finally, log in using your Rockstar Games, Epic Games, or Steam account. Once everything is set up, you can join different servers and start role-playing.